In this video, you'll learn how to create a content management system or CMS in Webflow. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a functional CMS for your website, allowing you to manage content effectively. Start by navigating to the Webflow website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the section titled Shangri-La's Top-Notch Site. This is where you will be creating your CMS. Next, locate and click on the CMS option in the left-hand menu. This will direct you to the CMS dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your content management system and ensure that the CMS dashboard is visible before proceeding. After that, click on the CMS collections link. This option is essential for creating different content types within your CMS. Once you click it, you should see a list of existing collections or an empty state if none are created yet. Once this appears, look for the Create Collection button and click on it. This action will open a new screen where you can define the details of your new collection. Take a moment to review the available fields before continuing. Following this, navigate to the Collection Templates option. Clicking on this will allow you to create templates for displaying your collection items. This step is important for setting up how your content will appear on your site. Next, click on Collection Settings. Here, you can adjust various settings related to your collection, including permissions and visibility. Make sure to review these settings carefully. Now, select the collection name field. This is where you will input the name for your new CMS collection. Ensure that the name is descriptive and relevant to the content you plan to manage. After naming the collection, proceed to the collection URL field. Enter a suitable URL slug that corresponds to your collection name. This URL will be used to access the collection on your site. Next, locate the Collection Fields section. Here, you can define the types of content that your collection will hold, such as text, images, or dates. Click on the appropriate fields to add them to your collection. Once you have added the necessary fields, click on the Create Collection button. This action will finalize your collection setup. You should receive a confirmation message that the collection has been successfully created. After creating the collection, you may see a message indicating that this collection doesn't have any items yet. This is normal for a newly created collection. Next, click on the Generate Sample Items option. This feature allows you to quickly populate your collection with sample data for testing purposes. It's a useful step to understand how your CMS will function. Finally, click on the Generate button to create those sample items. Once the process completes, you will see the sample items appear in your collection. This will give you a clear idea of how your CMS will display content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.